So I've been riding my Moto Guzzi V100S for a while now, and I've installed some parts on it, and I want to talk about the parts that I've installed. The parts are mostly from Hepco Becker, so let's dive in. So the first thing that I installed on the bike was a luggage rack so that I could easily take my luggage tank bag with me. I also installed the luggage system on the front, which is really nice. I've made my bike a little bit uglier because I've installed crash bars on the bike, but I do think they are necessary with the protruding cylinders on the side. If you crash it, it will be really costly, so yeah, that's why. And yeah, you can also say don't crash it, but yeah, sometimes it's not in your control when you're crashing a bike or somebody rides against your bike or something like that. I've also installed a really tiny skid plate because yeah, the front fender looks really good, but it does get some mud on your engine, and yeah, I want to keep that engine neat, so I've installed the little skid plate from Hepco Becker. I also have the C-bow system, but I didn't install it yet because yeah, I will install it once I'm doing a really long trip and I want some extra bags with me. But for now, the luggage system with the tank bag on the rear and the tank bag on the tank is perfect for me. Quality is absolutely awesome. I really like the Epic tank bag. It's one of the best looking bags I've ever seen, and yeah, it works just fine with the luggage system. It would fit in my camera and other gear with me really easily. So I highly recommend to consider the Epic tank bag. I have the 6-liter one, so not the smallest but also not the biggest, but I think it's a perfect match with the Moto Guzzi V100 Mandello S. I highly recommend the Hepco Becker stuff. I've been a fan for it for a couple of years now. I'm also using it on my Desert X. I've been using it on my Moto Guzzi Grezzo and also on my BMW R1200 GSA from 2018, and every time I'm amazed how good the products fit and how they look. Yeah, so highly recommend it. So check them out at Hepco Becker. Really short video, but I thought I wanted to share it with you, which upgrade I've done to the bike. As I said, I really like it. I hope you like this video. I hope it's helpful for you. If you have any questions about other accessories on your Moto Guzzi V100 Mandello S, or if you want to share your experiences with accessories for the Moto Guzzi Mandello S, I'm still thinking about buying the original bags, but yeah, they're pretty pricey. But leave a comment down below, and if you want to see more Moto Guzzi V100S content or other motorcycle related content, please consider to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.